Property insurance prices are sky high in Florida, but insurance companies say they're still losing money. Nick Pampantone is live in Orlando, where one state representative is accusing politicians of trying to prop them up by playing with your pocketbook.
So when you buy a new home, you basically need property insurance in this state. And Florida does have a state-backed company that offers below market rates to families that can't afford it. But the representative says lobbyists are asking politicians to raise those rates instead of addressing the real problem. Property insurance isn't the sexiest topic, but it is important.
We don't always talk about property insurance, but it impacts every single person.
In the Sunshine State, it generally means a huge hit to your wallet. According to LendingTree, from 2016 to today, Florida's property insurance rates increased 3 times faster than the national average, the largest company hiking their rates by 183%. You can thank hurricanes for high rates to start with, but companies say a lot of the increases have come from unnecessary lawsuits and roof replacement claims. Florida has a solution, the Citizens Property Insurance Corporation, but
they want Floridians to not know about Citizens. And I think that's a big mistake.
Citizens is a government-backed organization that offers lower rates to people who can't afford the private companies. It's also at the center of a looming fight in Tallahassee.
They either raise rates or these companies go out of business.
Despite driving up those prices, insurance companies are losing money. Some are attempting to pull out of the market altogether. In response, State Representative Eskamani says politicians are talking about prodding Citizens to raise its rates to discourage people from using it as a cheaper alternative. She says this would be the second year in a row they've done something to prop up the failing private market.
Here we are in the same situation, if not worse, compared to last year, with no end in sight.
We asked Eskamani what her plan would be to keep rates cheap and companies in the black. She says the government could offer money or tax incentives to help people make their homes more stormproof, reducing their premiums and the cost to insurers. She also thinks Citizens should be opened up to directly compete with the private companies, an idea she says got bipartisan support in the past.
The insurance industry that killed it because they don't like the idea of consumers going towards a state-based plan.
Eskamani says lobbying is why Florida finds itself in this sticky situation. The insurance industry is one of the top donors to political candidates on both sides of the aisle in Florida, contributing hundreds of thousands of dollars to individual races according to election filings.
I don't think we can have a legitimate conversation about property insurance when the leaders who chair these committees are swimming in insurance and reinsurance company money.
An insurance agent testified to politicians in Tallahassee saying older homes in Florida are almost considered uninsurable these days because of the current conditions. Now, if you rent, this does affect you because your landlord will pass on the costs through your rent payments, your monthly payments. And Eskamani says she doesn't predict anything will be passed this year. Live in Orlando, Nick Papantonis, WFTV Tonight.